Vedanth Ananth. I'm 12 years old and I'm in 7th grade at Pearson Ranch Middle School in Austin, Texas. Today, I'm going to show you my coding that I've created, a basketball court. Let's get right into it. And there's something cool about this. You see that? It shows you a list and then asks you to choose a number from the list for the paint area. So I can type in a number and it'll choose a color, like 2 for red. And right now it's making the court. It's making the half court line, the 3-point line. The paint is red. That's what it was meant to do. It wasn't meant to do the court itself. It was just meant to do this part. That's the hoop. It's the other hoop. Boom. Want to see it again? This time with a different color. Let's go green. There we go. Made that part green. So you could choose which color you want. I can even add some more colors. If it had the chakra over here, it would look like an Indian flag. Because orange, green, white. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for looking at my coding. And see you next time. Bye.